Hey, this is ether-light.com, and tonight we're going to lift our heaviest object of aluminum foil. This piece of aluminum foil right here, see how big it is? It's very large, and it's the heaviest object we've ever tried to lift. But we're going to do it right now. Let's put 3 charges on this plate. Oh, come on, Randy. I mean, be real. You gotta put good charges on there. That's one good charge. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta put good charges on there. You can tell. That's almost good enough. Let's go to the next one. That's almost good enough. So I'm gonna go back and put the middle one even better, I hope. Okay? Now, let's do the same for this plate. 1 charge on there. 1 good charge in the middle there. Yeah, that was a good one. And 1 right there. Those are good charges. Now, let's elevate it so that we can see it better. And see about this heavy foil. And see, can we get it to float, baby? Yes, we can. Look at that. Hey, I want it to float the other way. There we go. I want it to float that way, like that, right there. Hey, I want you to float like that right there. I love that right there. Look how high that thing is floating. Whoa! Look how high it's floating. It's floating very high. It's floating very high. And it's floating on the side that I want it to float on. Because you can make it float on the other side. Whoa. Yeah, see? You can make it float on that side as well. I don't like this side as much as I like the other side. Not that it looks more like a flying saucer, but maybe that's it. I don't know. This side is okay, but I like for it to float on this side like that right there. I like for it to float like that on that side. Whoa, whoa. Look how high it's floating. It's really floating high. Really floating high. Whoa, it flipped on me. It flipped on the other side. Which I don't like that side. I like that side right there. I like that side. Oh, it flips when it wants to, I think. Oh, I'm controlling it a little because I'm getting the float on this side a lot. See, that's control, man. Look at that. Oh, girl, that's control. There we go. All right, there you have it. We floated or levitated the heaviest object for ether-light.com.